Ay.
Sa una gawro mo gi. Wala,
Kaon pa.
hindi ko na maginawa. Kala isa draw, pilang hotdog na kaon nga.
Alam na sila katlog nito nga lubo.
Pasok na sa container. Si 4x4 patras style. Yaway, patras ba? First time. Para dool kayo. You know, napadadriya karon guys sa Trans-Asia sa delivered the unit bound for Ilocos Norte, and our unit will be 4x4 na double cab color silver. Plain setup lang ni silver. Wala na yung mga accessories, and ito yung nasa loob. Manual yung door handle ng second door natin, pero yung first door is automatic, power window siya. Yeah. So tingnan natin dito guys before natin ipasok this container. And ito yung setup niya, loaded with chrome accessories, bumper, step board, with canopy sa likod, may trapal, then new tires. Yan. So as you can see, makikita yung metallic niya na silver. Yan. Mga glitters niya. Yan yung metallic silver na color. So ganitong setup, umabot siya ng 520, excluding the shipping fee. And our shipping fee for today ay na-range siya sa mga 37,000. And more or less nasa mga 560 yung nabayaran ni customer. So with trapal, with chair with foam, which is foldable naman siya. So ito yung famous natin na canopy style, 6 feet long. So ang ato ang ginapaspingan is naalang diriya sa may Sasa, Davao. And this color is personally requested by our customer. Hindi na siya nagpunta dito sa Davao. She fully entrusted the unit to our care, and ito yung order niya. For Luzon buyer, papasok. We'll go inside in the container guys. Ayan, nasarado na yung container, and after masarado, fully sealed, tapos i-transport na from their yard going to the port, and it would take at least 5 to 7 business days for the shipment to arrive in Navotas. Then doon na yung i-claim ni customer. So yun lang guys, thank you so much.